Hello everyone, welcome to back my channel. So last tutorial I shared with you SQL roadmap. From that roadmap, this is the first topic that I am here to cover. First topic is unit 1 that cover select statement, that how to retrieve data. So data retrieving only depend on select statement. So how we will select data from our table and what and all the capability of that select statement. So here basic select statement is we return like select star from table name, that everyone know. Select star from the table name, which table data you want to retrieve, that table name you write here. After that, some capabilities are there. That capabilities SQL select statements are not case sensitive. SQL statements can be entered on one or more lines. Keywords cannot be abbreviated or split across lines. Clauses are used placed on separate lines. Next is indents are used to enhance readability. So what the mean, guys? So case sensitive in the sense SQL not depend on any letters, uppercase letter or lowercase letter. We'll see here select star from COD. I want to get the data of COD model. Okay, so COD I given in small case. After that, MODEL. Okay, COD model from my table name. Table name. Sorry, I did some mistake here. Sorry. This should be here. Select this field from table name. तो ये फील्ड जो आपको मिला, इसमें हम क्या किए ना, ये जो कोड मॉडल है इसमें अपर एंड लोअर केस का मिक्स है, बट स्टिल our SQL language it's not depend on any uppercase and lower cases, is case sensitive. So everyone know that. After that, it's not depend on one or more line, multiple lines also we can do. See, I break it with multiple lines. Now I'll execute my query. I get the response. And this indents in the sense nothing but the space. That space is used to for the code readability. It increase the code readability. Okay. So these are the capability of SQL select statement. So now everyone clear about SQL select statement. After that, you know what and all the capabilities of SQL select statement. Next, we will see that dual table. So one by default table is present in our Oracle database that called dual table, that is select star from dual. So ये जो टेबल है dual टेबल, ये इसमें एक ही डेटा है जो कि वेरकर का. सो ये डमी, ये जो टेबल है ये ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएटेड है ये हमारा SQL में. So this dual table is working as sys, like sys. We can give sys here, sys data, not data, sys date. Now I got my today's date. Okay, so like that, in any table is present and there you want to get today's data, then you will select like this, select sys date from, this is my table. this is my table. Okay, so you get today's state. Like that, this dual table is present in all the Oracle database. This is the by default table present in our DB, and this contain only one worker data, that each length is 1. Okay, so everyone clear now SQL select statement and what is dual table? Bye bye for now. We'll see rest on the next video. Thank you.